Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect the Xfinity 4K cable box, HDMI 2.0, 4K setup and HDR configuration guide. First, physical cable setup. To get the best possible picture and sound from your Xfinity XG1V4 or XI6 4K TV box, follow these steps. First, connect one end of a premium high-speed HDMI cable or ultra-high speed to the HDMI out port on the back of your Xfinity box. Then plug the other end into an HDMI port on your TV. Make note of the port number, for example HDMI 1, and ensure your TV's port supports HDMI 2.0 or HDMI 2.1 and HDCP 2.2, as it is required for 4K and HDR playback. Then, if your box requires a coaxial connection, attach one end of the coaxial cable to your wall outlet and the other to the RF input on the back of your Xfinity box. Ensure it is finger tight. Then connect the power adapter to the box and plug it into a wall outlet. And turn on your TV and set it to the correct HDMI input you used in step 2. Now, for activation and remote pairing. Once your box turns on, you will see a welcome or setup screen. The TV will guide you through connecting to your home Wi-Fi network if applicable and activating your device. You can also activate your equipment using the Xfinity app on your smartphone by signing in with your Xfinity account. And when prompted, hold down the Xfinity and mute buttons on your voice remote until the light at the top turns green, and follow the remaining on-screen instructions to program the remote for your TV's power and volume. For 4K and HDR configuration, once your Xfinity box is activated, you must configure the video settings to enable 4K resolution and high dynamic range HDR. Press the Xfinity button on your remote and select the gear icon to open the settings menu. In the settings menu, navigate down to device settings and select video display. Now set the video output resolution to 2160p 4K UHD. You may have to choose 60p or 30p depending on your TV capabilities. Then select yes when prompted to keep the settings. And if your TV supports it, enable HDR, often labeled as Deep Color or HDMI Ultra HD, in your specific TV's physical settings menu, such as LG's Deep Color or Samsung's Input Signal Plus. To make sure you are always getting the best signal, ensure your Xfinity settings are set to prefer best available resolution. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.